Second-degree murder charges in Arizona, what you need to know. Obviously, it's in the name itself. It's different than first-degree murder. However, there are still significant penalties, significant mandatory prison time, often flat prison time. The biggest differentiating factor between first-degree murder and second-degree murder is going to be the state of mind. Obviously, with first-degree murder, we have felony murder, we have premeditated murder. In second-degree murder, you have a variety of different ways that you could be charged with second-degree murder. It could be intentionally, knowingly, recklessly. Those are the different mental states that can be accused under a second-degree murder liability theory. We see a lot of times in vehicular cases, for example, a reckless type of second-degree murder. It's different than manslaughter. So it is an extreme indifference. An extreme indifference is the one elemental factor that makes it different from manslaughter in terms of the recklessness analysis. An extreme indifference to human life. So cases that we see this in, a lot of times, if it's an automobile case where somebody died and the person's BAC is above a 0.20, you could be charged with second-degree murder. If you're out there, if you're fighting and you lay somebody out and you start kicking them in the head over and over again, at that point there may be an extreme indifference to human life, and you could be charged with second-degree murder if the person is killed. If you curb stop the person after they've been knocked down, obviously that could be, under the state's theory, an extreme indifference as it pertains to the value of human life and the possibility of death. We have significant experience litigating and handling murder cases. Call us. We handle every aspect of the murder case early on in terms of with expert involvement. We have some of the best experts throughout the entire country on all the different types of forensic issues that you would need in a murder case. That could include DNA, could include fingerprints, could include for computer forensics, video forensics, and obviously law enforcement, investigators, things like that. Those types of experts that we bring on to help us out in our cases, we'll utilize them early. We do significant factual investigations as it pertains to murder cases. You go out, you hit the scene with your investigator, interviewing witnesses. We do that early. Memory does not get better over time. From the aspect of preparing the case for trial, that's what we're doing from the beginning. We're going out there, we're trying to interview witnesses that can help support our defense theory. Also, if there is any type of constitutional violation, any 4th, 5th, 6th, 8th, 14th Amendment violation, we're going to be looking at that from the beginning to see whether or not we can get evidence tossed out that the government is trying to use against you if it was not lawfully and legally procured. Give us a call. We're here to help. We've saved numerous people from life sentences. We've saved people from significant prison time involving homicide charges. Give us a call.